We have Professor Stocker with us today remotely from Bern, who wants to give us a message.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to address you today when you celebrate the opening of the first negative emission power plant in Hellisheidi near Reykjavik. This is a milestone not only for Climeworks, it's a milestone for Iceland, and it's a milestone for the world. We are amidst the climate crisis. Only 4 weeks ago, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has released its latest report, which draws a dramatic picture of the changes on this planet. The Earth is warming, or shall we rather say, the Earth is heating. Extreme events are ravaging across the planet. We have heard new notions of heating bowls and inundations in regions where we haven't expected it. We see the climate crisis in full swing, and therefore it's important that humankind thinks about how to reduce emissions and how to mitigate climate change. If you look at the scenarios of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, which project the climate history and the climate evolution of the next couple of decades, you see that those scenarios that are consistent with the Paris Climate Agreement, whose goal it is to hold the global heating well below 2 degrees Celsius, most of these scenarios require negative emissions. The plant that is before you in Hellisheidi is one of the methodologies how to achieve negative emissions locally. However, the big challenge is to bring this technology to a higher level, to scale it up so that these emission reductions are actually felt worldwide. The problem, of course, is technological, but also infrastructural. Hellisheidi is a very special place where you have geothermal heating, which provides cheap energy, green energy, may I say, for the cycles that are important for the working of the devices. You also have basaltic formations below the ground where carbon dioxide can be stored for many millennia. These special geological conditions are not present everywhere. And therefore, with all optimism today, we need not forget that climate mitigation is important to achieve the Paris Agreement. With the technology today, we will be able to achieve these goals, and with a change of the mindset of every consumer, this will be possible. Thank you very much for your attention.